one of the co-founders of PALOMA. I've spent the majority of my career working in the recruiting industry, which basically means I spend all day, every day, having really candid conversations with both hiring managers and job seekers.
Hi, I'm Alyssa, one of Paloma's co-founders, and I have over 15 years of experience in the corporate world. The bulk of my experience has been in brand and marketing, with a focus over the past several years on building authentic brands that resonate with clients, but that also attract and retain great talent.
So I realized that there are so many amazing companies around us. Portland alone, there are over 13,000 small to mid-sized companies. But there's just no good way to get accurate and honest information online.
Our traditional corporate practices and societal norms have forced many professionals into these predefined roles that may not align with their personal interests, goals, or values.
The way that most job boards work is that first you upload your resume, and then you can either search through current postings or allow employers to access your resume and find you. The problem is that it's really difficult to search if you don't know exactly what you're searching for, and you're probably only going to be contacted if your keywords match up almost exactly to the job description.
Technology alone can't solve this problem. It can create efficiencies in the process, sure, but it can't replace that human element.
So I uploaded my resume to ZipRecruiter, and because my previous title was practice director, I started getting recommendations for a lot of medical positions like licensed practical nurse or certified pharmacy tech or school psychologist, and it actually told me that I was qualified for these jobs. I think it just shows how ineffective keywords are. We conducted a survey and found that 55% of people, while they were not looking for a new position, they wouldn't want to pass up an amazing opportunity if it came up.
It's hard to ignore that our world is going digital. Millennials and Gen Z are taking over the workforce, and employees want more from their employers, and they're not afraid to say it or ask for it.
Something I think we all have in common is that we want to find a company that really values us for who we are, and we want a job that we enjoy, a job that we're good at, and frankly, we want a job that we don't have to dread going to work on Monday.
At Paloma, we want to create a space for professionals to silence the noise, ignore those buzzwords and assumptions, and connect with companies on a personal level to truly find careers that are based on what matters most to them.
The average American spends about a third of their life working. And so we want to help people find a sense of fulfillment in their job so that they can live better lives.
We are looking for great companies and professionals who share our vision and who want to shake things up. Stop by our booth at Demo Day or go onto our website and join us to help make this happen.